What is fatalism? Fatalism is the belief that what will be, since all past, present, and future events have already been predetermined by God or another all-powerful force, such as fate. In religion, fatalism may sometimes be confused with predestination, that is, the doctrine that God chooses those who go to heaven before they are even born. It's important to note that the Bible teaches predestination, but not to the exclusion of free will. Thus, the Bible does not teach fatalism. Scholars contrast fatalism with determinism, free will, and indeterminism. For one, determinism is the view that every event has a cause and that everything in the universe is absolutely dependent on and governed by causal laws. Determinism is related to fatalism, since determinists believe that all events, including human actions, are caused by something else. Determinism is typically thought to be incompatible with free will. Free will is the freedom of choice or self-determination that human beings possess. It is important to note that those who believe in free will believe that, given any situation, a person could have done other than what he did. Philosophers have argued that free will is incompatible with determinism and fatalism. Indeterminism is the view that there are events that do not have any cause. Many proponents of free will believe that acts of choice are independent of any physiological or psychological cause. One ancient, common argument for fatalism is called the idle argument, which goes: if it is fated for you to recover from your illness, then you will recover whether you call a doctor or not. Likewise, if you are fated not to recover, you will not do so even if you call a doctor. Hence, it is either fated that you will recover from your illness, or that you will not recover from your illness. While the idle argument applies fatalism on the effect side, that is, the recovery from illness, it does not apply fatalism to the cause side. But it must be noted that literalist fatalists apply it to both sides of the cause and effect. While the fact that you will recover or not is left to fate, fatalists believe it is also predetermined whether you will call the doctor.